So in the last video, we showed you how to wire the first sensor with the cable clamp. For this video, I'll show you how to wire all of the other sensors until the last sensor. You're going to use the gray cased black and gray wire from cell number 1 on sensor number 2. And it'll follow that pattern all the way through. So the gray cased wire on the negative side of the battery will always go to the next sensor. The gray cased wire with the red wire is always going to go to the sensor that matches that cell. So for this case, sensor number 2 and cell number 2. The same with the black cased wire with the gray, blue, and black wires will always go to the same sensor as the cell number that you're trying to monitor with that. So just like with sensor number 1, I've already routed these wires, but you're going to pull them to their length and cut them. Then just strip back the gray casing. Then that color sequence stays the same as it did before, with the gray, then red, and then black in this IDC connector. Then you do your black. It'll be the same color sequence again, with gray first, then blue, and then black. So now that these two are ready to go, we'll tuck them to the side. And then just remember that your gray cased wire with the black and gray wires inside are always going to go to the next cell from the previous cell that you were working on.